If you've been scrolling lately, you've probably seen the Bullseye Blower popping up everywhere. This compact, cordless, turbo-powered air blaster that promises to handle everything from leaves to gutters to drying your car, even light snow. It's advertised with a jet burst motor spinning at 31,000 RPM, powered by a 21-volt lithium battery, and all of that for just $59.99 with a 90-day money-back guarantee. Sounds like the ultimate cleanup tool, right? Well, let's find out if it's legit or just another flashy online gimmick. Right off the bat, the marketing is strong, really strong. The website throws out claims like 5 times faster than regular blowers, extreme airflow, and pro-grade power. But here's the problem. There are 0 real performance specs listed. No CFM, no airflow rating, no wattage, no real-world test footage. If a product is truly 5 times faster than a traditional blower, you'd expect at least one comparison chart, a demo, something. But instead, you get buzzwords. And that's it. So we dug deeper. And what we found is that the Bullseye Blower is actually a drop-shipped product. The exact same unit is sold on Chinese marketplaces for much cheaper. Sellers buy it, rebrand it, and push it with bold claims and pressure tactics. Countdown timers, limited time deals, buy 2, get 50% off, and all that urgency-based marketing designed to get you to click buy now before you think twice. And let's be real for a second. A tiny handheld blower clearing snow? That's just not happening. Actual cordless blowers capable of heavy-duty work, wet leaves, snow, thick debris, usually cost well over $100 from well-known tool brands. And they come with verified reviews and detailed specs. Speaking of reviews, the Bullseye Blower has none. No independent customer feedback, no Amazon listings, no YouTube tests, only hand-picked testimonials on their own website that read more like scripted ads than honest user experiences. So what's the verdict? The Bullseye Blower will probably show up if you order it, but based on everything we found, it's very unlikely to perform anywhere near the way it's advertised. The vague specs, the exaggerated promises, the dropshipping routes, this is all the signs of an impulse buy trap rather than a reliable yard tool. If you've seen this blower in an ad, or if you already bought one, drop your experience down below. I'd love to hear what actually happened. And if this review helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and stick around. I'll keep breaking down overhyped gadgets so you don't get taken in by the next viral must-have tool. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.